वुड लव टू टॉक अबाउट जो अभी मेरी जर्नी रही पिछले तकरीबन 2-2.5 महीने। आई वाज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई वाज ऑन द मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई वाज ट्रेवलिंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस, और बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला, बहुत कुछ समझने को मिला। अभी मैं जो आपसे बात करना चाहूँगा कि अगर आप अपनी ज़िंदगी को देखते हैं, आपने ज़िंदगी में अच्छा किया है, अच्छा आप नहीं कर पाए हैं, कुछ भी वजह रही हो, बट एक चीज़ फॉर श्योर है, एंड दैट इज़ that you can do better. Anybody and everybody can do better, but the most important thing is within the time. जैसे मेरे पिताजी एक बात बोलते थे, वो ईद के हिसाब से बात करते थे कि तंबा मीन्स दैट लुंगी, कि अगर कोई भी चीज़ आपको समय पे नहीं मिलती है तो फिर उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है। सो सेम वे ज़िंदगी में आप कुछ सोचें, चाहें, एफर्ट्स करें और आपको रिजल्ट मिल जाए, उसके लिए हमें समझना होगा, उसके लिए हमें डीपली जाना होगा कि एग्जैक्टली हमें करना क्या है। और उसके लिए व्हाट वी नीड अ सिस्टम। नाउ व्हाट इज़ अ सिस्टम? बड़ा सिंपल सी बात है। गोइंग टू स्कूल, स्पेंडिंग 12 years इज अ सिस्टम। आफ्टर योर स्कूल you select the kind of education you want, and then going into that particular stream is a system. And then going for professional classes or courses is a system. And that's a system how to make money. That's a system how to live your life. So my point is, now the point we need to understand, that is, what kind of results you want, accordingly you need a system. So at whatever age you are educated, not educated, you have loads of money, you don't have money, you are exposed, not exposed, nothing to worry about. The only system which we all need is basically to make good enough money so that we have peace of mind to do things which we have always wanted to do. Why do we need money? That's very simple, because it's not only about you. अगर अकेला आदमी हो ना तो वो कैसे भी जी सकता है, कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। मैं जीता हूँ बिना मनी के, I've seen it, and it's no problems at all, because you don't have your needs, you don't have your, but you are a son, you are a husband, you are a wife, you are a daughter, you are a father, you are a mother. Number of roles we have to play, and for playing those roles responsibly, what we need money. And let's convert this money thing into what we need resources, and to buy those resources we need money, and that's what we need to understand. So एक बार पैसे की दिक्कत कह लीजिए, एक बार पैसे की ज़रूरत कह लीजिए, एक बार पैसे, you have enough money with you. Once you have enough money with you, then nothing to worry about, then you are at peace, you are relaxed, now you can do your thing. And that's the reason majority of the time most of the people are not able to do kind of things they have wanted to do. Abhi I was in Jim Corbett, I was in one of the finest luxury resort there, and I saw a number of old couples having good time, but old couples. I'm not saying anything wrong with being old, but whatever they were doing, they were enjoying to the fullest. They were swimming, they were walking, they were playing, they were having good food, everything. But what the focal point was, they wanted to do everything when they were young. They could afford when they are old, but there are many who cannot. So my point is, so what we need to understand right now, we need to understand one thing, that is, make loads of money, support people. And when I say make loads of money, I'm not telling you to be greedy. What I'm telling you to be